A high-level meeting was convened by the Tripura Women's Federation on Saturday at the Manikya Court in Agartala to finalize preparations for the upcoming TWF Foundation Day. The session was led by key leadership including TWF Spokesperson and MDC Gita Debbarma alongside TWF President Manihar Debbarma. The preparatory meeting was attended by prominent leaders including MDC and TWF Spokesperson Gita Debbarma and TWF President Manihar Debbarma. Executive members from the Central Committee, District Committee, Central Advisory Committee and Agartala Block Committee were also present. During the session, TWF President Manihar Debbarma announced that the upcoming TWF Foundation Day will be simultaneously observed across all 28 developmental blocks.
Chini 28 block number, Chini political block, or 28 political block ono taklay ni disiwa foundation day palaja. O pokna nasun Chini kesal lagi type foundation day kaham tek palaja Chini TWF. Jong tonono Chini foundation day wo Chini Tipra mata YTF TWF dan Chini elected MDC, Chini MLA stroke, Chini Khorang senior leader. Jok tono no dinggu taklay ni foundation dano kurung kutum dodom kan atau kanyan pada tono no pokoknya nambai. Central Committee selaya taklay. Central Committee mana no Chini block committee wo kaikan kai. Chini Central Committee ni cara leader stroke. of Janjani block elakaro যেখানে जोंनो इनभाइट खाइजागो जों आजागानो थांनाय जोंनि जब सेन्ट्रेल कमिटिनि जोंनि लिडार्सफ्राव आरो थांनो केनान कारण जों ब्लकनि आन्दारनि बर'नो जों सेन्ट्रेलाव जों जोंनि जबनि न जानजानि आमजायदो जानजानि एडिसि कन्स्टिट्युएन्सि बडिमानि एलाका याखबा जानजानि ब्लक दं आ एलाकारो जों जानजानि ब्लकनो मा थांनाय अबबो कबिया जे जागा इनभाइट खालायो जोंनो जे जागा तलांगो जों आजागानो जों जोंनि जब सेन्ट्रेल कमिटिनि बुराम गोनां जों बुकजों आंबो एटेन्ड खालायलायनाय आबो नखर साबनाय
Pure report Chini Khorang.